It's Mick Jagger. No, wait, not Mick Jagger. Now we're gonna make a flamingo. So I've got two fuchsia 360s here. I know they don't look exactly fuchsia in my camera, but that's okay. Pretend like it's really pretty bright pink fuchsia. So we're gonna set those aside for his body, and then we're gonna grab a black 360 that I've blown up, leaving about 4 or 5 inches uninflated on the end. What we're gonna do with that, let me hold it out to the side here. I'm gonna make a pair of fold twists in it. Each about the width of my hand. Just like we did starting for our duck beef and several other things we've done. And then make another one the same size. So you've got 2 fold twists on the end of that. Then you're gonna make about a 10 or a 12 inch bubble. And then what's left, I'm gonna come all the way back to the nozzle end and twist that in around with 2 fold twists. The flamingos have that really weird shaped bill that kind of bulges up at the front. Sort of, kind of like that, and then you take it and turn it upside down and scoop the little things they eat out of the water. They're really strange animals, if you ever watch them eat. But anyway, enough of that. So there's our penguin's bill. We're gonna set that aside and trade it for a fuchsia 660 and a white 360. The fuchsia's got about 4 inches uninflated. The white, a little less than half. We're not gonna use all of it. Tie the 2 nozzle ends of those together, just like that. And then we're going to take our bill, twist where those 2 are tied together into the middle of the 2 fold twists at the back of the bill. Then we're going to take and twist about a 4 or 5 inch bubble in the top of his head. And if you watched the duck video already, we're going to do the eyes like they did on the duck. So we're going to take our white 360 and sort of lay it alongside the fuchsia till you get to the end of that bubble and twist it in. And we're going to make our second bubble out of our fuchsia. And then come back down and twist that into the base of his head where his beak is. There we go. And then we're going to take our white 360 and then lay it back alongside again, just like we did before, to come back down to the beak to get our second eye. Push that into the base of the head as well. I'm going to cut off that excess. It all straight. And there is the head of our flamingo. They've got a longer neck than the duck, so we're going to squeeze the air down till we get almost to the bottom. Twist off about 4 inch bubble there, maybe a 5 inch, and then divide that so you get a smaller bubble on top that you can make a pinch twist. Your goal is to end up with that. I've got a little pinch twist and a small bubble left on the bottom there, and there's his head. And we're going to grab his body, twist that into one end. So now our flamingo has a head, a rather large head I might add. Set that aside. All we need to do is make him a tail. So we're going to grab our remaining 360, fuchsia of course. We're just going to make a pair of pinch twists in it, just like we did for our duck's tail. What I'm going to do his tail slightly different. I want it soft, so I'm squeezing it. I want his tail to come up and sort of loop back around. So I'm making basically a large zucchini. Twist that in there and remove the excess. Then I'm going to take and do a little shape up in there so it gets sort of a curved effect like that. That way he's got that little plumage going up. Then we're going to grab our flamingo, add the tail onto the back of his body. Just twist it around really good. And then take one of the pinch twists, tuck it up inside the body, put the other on the back side there, make his tail stand up straight. There's his tail, and presto, you have a flamingo.